Now we come to question number 8. We just need to propagate the formula to the rest of the rows. So in this column, we will drag it down to propagate the formula. Same for the pin number, delivery fee, and total. Question number 9 asks us to format the prices to currency with no decimal number. So the price column is total and also the amount. So we can select all the cell here. We format, go to home, this format formula. We come here and select currency. Decimal places, we put 0 because the question says no decimal place. So we click OK. Now the currency $ symbol is here and there is no decimal place anymore. And we do the same for the total column. So we click this icon and we come to currency. We select no decimal place and click OK. And the question is done. That's all for now.